kayo sa isang IMG member. In your area, in your case, nadaan kayo Sir Elmo at saka Maminta. Why? Because they are already a member of IMG. Later on, if you will also become a member of IMG, apart from your Kaiser, yung mga anak ninyo, yung mga pamangkin ninyo, or anybody na kakilala ninyo that would like to get Kaiser plan, sa inyo din yan lahat. Okay? Kahit kung sinabi pa nila, hindi, pupunta ako sa office ni Kaiser sa may Manila. Go! Pagdating doon, tatanungin ka, sino po ang nag-inform sa inyo? Ay, si Ma'am Lenny. Ay, please, balikan niyo si Ma'am Lenny. That is the exclusive contract of Kaiser sa lahat ng IMG. Later on, I will tell you the significance of that. Anong impact niyan sa atin. Right? Now, alright? No? So, bakit kaya si IMG ang napili ni Kaiser na maging partner? Because we are teaching how you can build a solid financial foundation. Which is, kung titingnan natin sa financial house nyo, healthcare is the foundation. Ito yung kakaiba sa IMG. Hindi tayo ahente. Okay? Hindi kami nandito para magbenta ng Kaiser, ha? Alright? Hindi kayo di-invite ni Maminta para bentahan ng Kaiser. We want you to understand, no, why healthcare is important. And that is to say, because yan pala ang foundation ng financial house mo. Sino dito nakakita na nagpatayo ng bahay na unang bubong? Wala, no? Flooring muna. But sa buhay natin sa araw-araw, in terms of kapirahan, nauuna palagi ang bubong. Ano yung bubong? Investment. Business. Nakalimutan ang healthcare. Tingnan nyo, oh, wala na tayong healthcare, di ba? Nakalimutan. Ang IMG na tayo binabalik. Okay? In order for you to build your solid financial foundation, start with healthcare first. So, wala pang healthcare, di ba? O, bubong pala ang nauna. Alright? So, balikan natin. Okay? That is why IMG is the partner of Kaiser. Kasi, yan ang tinuturo natin. Okay? So, sayang hindi niya nakikita. Okay? So, si Dr. Lea Oyolo is the chairman ng Kaiser International, and she is also the secretary of PAMO. Familiar kayo? PAMO is the association ng mga healthcare providers. Okay? Treasurer pala siya. Alright? No? So, siya ngayon ang ating, siya ang director ng Kaiser. And Kaiser is registered in the Securities and Exchange Commission and the DOH. So, hindi siya fly-by-night. Okay? Duly registered po siya. Alright? At, pag sinabi natin PAMO or Philippine Association of Health Maintenance Organization Companies, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, kung familiar kayo sa Life and Health, Patient Care, Field Care, Medicare, MaxiCare, meron pa ditong Caritas. Caritas Health Shield. Yes, wala na sila. Alright? No? So, nag-close na actually ang Caritas. I'm not sure if they have declared it officially. Okay? So, why? They tried actually to provide long-term care, pero 10 years. 10 years ang maximum nila. The sad thing there is, long-term care lang kasi, no, walang investment. Kaya we are not sure what happened, why they were not able to turn, kumbaga, naro-roll nila yung kanilang investment. Right? Sa atin naman, with Kaiser, for almost 20 years, okay, 51% of the contribution na meron tayo na ilalagay sa Kaiser Healthcare natin, nasa bangko yan, okay, nasa bangko yan na nilalagay in preparation sa mga health claims natin. 49% is being invested in stock market. That is why Kaiser is able to give it back to us in terms of investment. Okay? So, stock market is the most liquid investment. Right? Hindi si Kaiser nag-i-invest sa lupa. Just like what happened to CAP. Sino dito nakakuha ng educational plan sa ka? Diba? Because they invested their money kasi dun sa mga fixed assets. So, nung nag-claim ang mga plan holders, no, hindi nila namin within kaagad. Okay? That's another also realization of Sharon Cuneta. Nung na-hospital yung mami nila, hindi niya kaagad-agad na bayaran ang hospital bill kasi cost million. Why? Kasi ang pera niya naka-invest din sa asset. Wala namang bibili ng condominium unit na 6 million, 7 million in overnight. Tama? It would take time. Sino ang nag-finance ng medical bills? CKC. Diyan nila na-realize na we have to invest in healthcare. Kasi hindi sa lahat ng oras may pera ka sa bulsa mo. But if you have the healthcare card lang or policy number lang ipakita mo, pasok sa banga. Pwede ka nang i-treat. Pwede ka nang, di ba, gamutin. Pwede ka ipasok sa hospital. Di ba sa mga experience sa hospital, no? Yun lang naman pinapakita eh. At yun lang din tinatanong eh. Di ba? May HMO po ba kayo? Kasi kung wala kayong HMO, punta sa treasurer's office o sa may cashier at mag-down payment. Pero kung may HMO,